is Jessica and welcome back to my channel. I'm new here on YouTube. I have only uploaded just a few videos so far and I hope you're enjoying them. I've kind of mentioned in those videos how I am renting this 3-bedroom house with my grandparents. It's me, my husband, and my 2 small kids. And yeah, this is just a cute little 3-bedroom house that we're currently staying in. And it really needs some good deep cleaning. We've been here for maybe 4 years now, and it just kind of needs some love. I will be doing the master closet in my room, the master bedroom, and I'm so excited. It really needs to be done. And then we will also do the little closet right outside my door in the hallway, and that's going to kind of be like my little overflow closet. Like I said, it's a small house, so every little space and room matters to kind of keep things nice and airy and organized and just not too cluttered. So yeah, so I'm super excited. I hope you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and kind of stick around to see what I do at this house and give you that motivation, because I know I needed it. I don't want to do this today, but you know what? I'm getting myself hyped up because I know it needs to be done and I know I'll thank myself later. And every room I can get off my, deep clean checklist just gives me more motivation to kind of keep going and get this house cleaned from top to bottom. This is definitely a little overwhelming, but it's okay. I'm gonna stay calm. And I told you guys in my last couple of videos, I like to work in steps and kind of group things together. So the first thing that I have on my list is to get all of my school books and stuff like that. And just some things into this bin right here that, can kind of go in the garage for now. So I'm going to kind of do that. I'm just going to gather all the books that I have up here and just kind of school stuff that I used when I was going to school and put them in this box. So let's do that.
I got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. It broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now. Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go, it's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be, let's skip the apologies. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me.
Okay, so I've broken some stuff up into piles. This is like school stuff, papers that I need, my office stuff, like just gonna put in the garage for now. Some seasonal stuff I need to put away. Water bottles. And that is our first bag of trash. Now I have a bag filled already with some clothes that I need to donate. And I'm going to try and get rid of as much as I can from all the clothes now. Oh my, you guys. I can't even explain to you how I was feeling when I did this video. I did not want to do it, and I had been putting it off for a while. But as soon as I was done, I cannot even tell you, like, I was on fire. I felt like that girl, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, Jessica, you have your life together. You are going to do great things. I couldn't even sleep that night. I was like thinking of all these other ideas and trying to write them down, you know, get them out of my head and onto paper. Like, I was like, oh, this and oh, that, and oh, you got to do this. And the next day I got up, deep cleaned the entire house, got everything done on my to-do list. And I was like, who is this girl? Like, yesterday you didn't even want to clean this closet out. And now you're conquering the world and you're like so excited. And that's what I mean. Like, I truly believe that having a clean, fresh space, decluttering and organizing, I really, really believe that it can really affect your mood and your life. Like, just having that clean space just really does something for me. And I'm just so excited I did this. And, you know, you can tell in the beginning, I've said it a couple times that I did not want to do it. But I knew with the kids going back to school and me going back to work, I was like, no, this will make my life so much easier down the line when I know what outfits we have. And when I do laundry, I can quickly put it away. Everything has a home now, you guys. Whereas before, everything was just kind of all over the place. Now everything has like a designated area. And when I put my laundry away, it is just going to be so much quicker and faster and better and easier. And I mean, who doesn't want that, you know? So please, you guys, if you have been putting something off, just find a good day that works. Get up, get yourself going. Just, you know, I got a little ready, took a little like shower, had a cup of coffee. I don't always have coffee, so when I do, you know, it's like going to be a serious day. And I'm really glad I did this. Now, you know, I did get rid of a lot, and I show kind of the bags of the trash and donation bags. But at the same time, you know, this is a closet that's shared between me, my husband, and my 2 kids. So, you know, it's still going to be filled because it's one closet for 4 people. But yeah, but I still, I mean, love the way it turned out.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember your parents. Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
So now I've jumped over to the hallway closet. I cannot complete my closet until this is cleaned out because I'm bringing over some sweaters and jackets, some extra books, arts and craft supplies. So this is going to be kind of like my multi-purpose closet, and I can't finish my other one until I get this one going. So here I am working my way from top to bottom. That's what I always do. And yes, that is a DVD and VHS player up there. My grandparents and my parents like to hold on to things. And so I'm still going to keep them, but I'm going to put them somewhere safe, probably in the garage. But yeah, you know, it is a little embarrassing how neglected this house is. Sometimes things just tend to get out of hand and we kind of get off track. But that's okay, you guys. That is life, and we just need to eventually find our way again and get back on the right track. And so here I am, 4 years later, finally kind of getting my life together. And I promise you'll get there too. Just hang in there and be kind to yourself. So there's the trash, and that's all for donation right there. I'm so excited and cannot believe how much I got out of these two closets. Now here's my husband ripping out this old carpet in here. It obviously needs to go. And yeah, now I will clean it up as best I can and slowly start to put everything back in here and have it looking all nice. I felt so bad because he had a really long day at work this day, and yet still when he came home from work, he couldn't wait to help me because he just really supports my dreams and just loves to see me happy, and you know, vice versa. We always push each other to be better, and I cannot believe that this Sunday is our 10-year anniversary. It just has been a dream, and I'm just so grateful and blessed for every day with him and our children. And I just kind of wanted to say that, you know, please don't settle. Don't stay somewhere where they do not see your worth. We all deserve someone who sees us, accepts us, and loves us for who we are. And if they don't, then bye. And I mean that for all our relationships, because it's true, you know? And it's so important also to put yourself first and love yourself first. And I promise everything else will fall into place.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me
Okay guys, here we are all done. I can finally use this hallway closet like it's supposed to be. We put our jackets in there, some construction paper, our arts and crafts stuff. Just totally a great way to use this space. Sometimes, you know, these closets, you can put multiple things in there, but just keep it organized. And here we are, the master closet. I mean, you guys, just look at that top shelf. It was insane in here. Half of these clothes we didn't wear. Just so many things on the floor. And now I just feel like I have my space just right, that I can actually come in here and think. I know where everything is. Everything is just nice and tidy, simple and to the point. And I even have some extra storage bins up there for if I ever need to store anything else. This is just everything that I wanted to accomplish and more. And you guys, I told you, I feel like I'm that girl, and I'm about to tackle this playroom next. I hope you subscribe and stick around for that video. It should be up next week. And I'm super excited. The playroom is a disaster, but we're going to tackle it. Catch you in the next one. Bye.